On Moodle, open the EO2A tree inventory. Go to File, Save As, and I'm going to put it in my Excel folder, and in the Excel folder that you already made, make a Chapter 2 folder. And then we're going to call this your last name, underscore first name, underscore 2A, underscore tree, underscore inventory. And click Save. So for chapter 2, we're going to be working with the Pasadena Tree Nursery. So what we're looking at here is a larger spreadsheet than we worked with before. So if you scroll up and down, we have a quantity and stock of our items, the item number, what our tree name actually is, the price of the tree, the light the tree requires to grow, and the landscape that it uses. I want you to select columns C and D, so press and hold on C and drag through D. Right click and say Insert. So that'll insert 2 columns instead of just 1. And what we're going to do is we're going to split up the item number category. So in C11, I want you to type 13129. Press Enter up in the formula bar. And with C11 selected, on your home ribbon on the far right side there's a fill. Go down where it says Flash Fill and select it. So what it does is it actually reads all these numbers and it's able to separate them. And you'll notice a little option box popped up here. So what it does is it usually will make suggestions for you. So for this, we're going to accept the suggestions because those are the exact numbers we want in there. And you can kind of scroll and kind of eyeball it, but it does match. So in D11, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to do category. So type oak and then use the enter on the formula bar and do fill and do flash fill. And it reads those again. So now it even brought over category for you. So type item number in D11 and we're going to delete all of column B. Press save. Now we're going to move the category column. So what I want you to do is select the whole column, right click and say cut. And you see how it comes up with this border here? That's what it looks like whenever you cut stuff. So go into cell H1 and you can either right click paste or do Control V on your keyboard and it brings all of the data over here. Now you can delete column C. Select columns A through G and on your home ribbon under cells, go to format and go to auto fit column width. So now all your columns are the appropriate width. You could also do that by doing select all and then double clicking in between one of your column headers. Make sure A1 is your active cell and we are going to merge and center it all the way to H. Same with A2 all the way through H2. Change the background color and make Pasadena Tree Nursery title and as of December 31st, heading 1. So we've used our sum function a few times already. So sum should be very familiar to you. So what we're going to do here at the top in B4 is we're going to sum the total items in stock. So if you look down here, our quantity in stock is what we're going to sum. So do equals sum, in parentheses, then select from A11 all the way down through A39. Close your parenthesis and press enter. You should have 3,022. So this is a total items, that is not money, so put the comma style on that and decrease the decimal to 0 decimals. The average price, we are actually going to look at something different. We want to calculate the average, so go to the formulas ribbon and go to statistical, which is located under more functions. Under statistical, you'll find average right there. There's a few different averages. but we just want the one that says straight up average. So click on that, and it wants you to get numbers. So what you want to do is select the price, because we're trying to find the average price. So select all of that range from D11 to D39 and press OK. So it's going to actually calculate the average cost. And double click it just to make sure you have the correct cells highlighted, which I do. The median function is going to give us the middle value that has as many values above it as below it. So go in the formulas ribbon, and under more functions, under statistical, there should be a median. There it is. These are in alphabetical order. So double click median, and we don't want G9, so delete that. We want median price. So again, select the price. A lot of this you'll have to use some common sense for. So click OK. So our median price is $107.99, which is a little higher than our average price. The min and max are going to tell us our low and high prices. So on the formulas ribbon, go to more functions, statistical, and for lowest price, we want to use min. And our range is going to be, again, D11 through D39, and press OK. And our highest price is going to be max. So under statistical, go to max. Get your range, put in your retail price, and click OK. So for any of those, if you accidentally clicked cancel or OK, or they don't look like what mine looks like, on the formula ribbon, if you click the function button, it'll pop open with options for you and bring that formula box back. So go ahead and hit save. Please go on to the second video.